Hey everybody, how you doing? I hope everybody's still being safe, still staying inside, still staying healthy through this quarantine. But I just want to say this. During this time, don't forget to work out. Don't forget to get your exercise in, okay? You don't want to come out looking like a cue ball on a pool table. You don't want to be all round. We're not all supposed to be the same size, but we are all supposed to be healthy. And I get it. We're in the house, working from home. You know, it used to take you 3 days to get through a bag of chips. Now it takes you 3 hours. And that's because you're sitting at home, little boy don't have anything to do. But hey, why not every hour do some jumping jacks, do some push-ups? Why not do a push-up challenge? If you want to do a push-up challenge with me, drop a comment below. Let's do a push-up challenge together. Let's do 100 push-ups a day until we finish this quarantine. 30 days. Let's do a 30-day push-up challenge, cheap not broke. I think that would be great for us all to do so we can stay healthy, and it's free because I know a lot of people can't go to the gym membership right now, but we can all do this push-up challenge. And if you can't do the push-up challenge, we can do some exercise for 30 days straight. Let's all challenge ourselves to exercise 30 days straight. I just got done jumping some rope, and I was jumping some rope, and sometimes I miss and I slap myself in the head, but I still look good, okay? I want to challenge you to get outside, exercise, get out, walk the dog. If the dog runs, you run a little bit too. Don't slow the dog down. You speed up with him. Unless he's dropping the poop, you got to pick that up and they're going to write your ticket. You heard it here first. All right, cheap not broke is not only about saving money, it's also about being healthy. We got to be healthy, and we got to figure out ways to do it. This rope right here, man, that's cheaper than the gym membership. I still do have my gym membership, and I do want to go back so I can stay big, looking good. Because somebody walk up on me, we gonna have a problem. But in the meantime, I gotta work outside. I gotta get my exercise in. Let's do it. 30 days, 30-day challenge. Let's challenge each other for the next 30 days to work out, exercise. Let's check in. If you're down with that, drop a comment below. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get on it. I'm gonna go do some running. I'm gonna go do my push-ups. I'm gonna do my jumping jacks. I'm gonna keep jumping this rope. I wanna stay healthy. I wanna look good when it's summertime. I wanna be able to go out there and get these clothes on the clearance rack, and I hope they fit me so I can be shining out here. Because you know we're gonna get back in the streets. You know we're gonna be looking good soon, but you wanna make sure you're healthy. You don't wanna miss the coronavirus and end up in the hospital because of high blood pressure, high cholesterol, all that stuff. You know, and then eating all that bad food, you're gonna be farting in the house, have everything stink. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure you're eating good food so you don't fart in the house, have everybody stink. Now they got to call the fire department because you got the place stinking. Cheap not broke family. Let's challenge ourselves. 30 days. Let's exercise 30 days straight. Drop a comment below if you're with it. Let's do it. I'm gonna start the challenge today. I already started the challenge. I'm gonna do it again. Get some more exercise in. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Get outside and exercise. Cheap nut, bro.